What is the area of circle whose radius is equal to side of square whose perimeter is 112? The question is, what is the area of circle? So we have a circle and you are expected to calculate, this is the radius of the circle, and you are expected to calculate the area, which is pi r square. So area of circle is pi r square. So you have to calculate what is the area of this circle whose radius r is equal to side of the square. So you have a square, this is the square, side of the square is a, we will assume, whose radius is equal to side of the square. I'll repeat the question. What is the area of circle whose radius is equal to side of square whose perimeter is 112? So perimeter of this square is given as 112. आपको निकालना है इस सर्कल का एरिया क्या होगा. अगर आपको इस सर्कल का एरिया निकालना है आपको रेडियस निकालना पड़ेगा. अगर आपको रेडियस निकालना है तो r की वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू a, आपको a की वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ेगी. और अगर आपको a की वैल्यू निकालनी है यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस. 4a इज इक्वल टू 112, so a is equal to 112 upon 4, which is 28. Now since a is equal to 28, r is also equal to 28, and now you can calculate the area of the square. Area will be pi r square, which is 22 upon 7 into 28 into 28. If you calculate, this is 4, and now you have to do multiplication of 22 into 4 into 28. If you multiply 22 and 28, it is 616, and if you multiply it by 4, you get a value 2464. Answer is option number E, none.